Hey guys, and welcome back to another devlog. I've made some good progress since the last devlog, and I wanted to make another video talking about all the changes that I have made. The first thing that I want to talk about is that I have added a parallax background. The main idea for the background was just to have some clouds and some mountains or some trees. Once the textures were done in Sprite, I wrote some code and added it to Unity so that the different textures would move at different speeds. I think in the end, it kind of looks good for my first try at making a parallax background. I've added a new player texture and some new textures into the game. The first textures are new hairstyles for the players. For now, there's only a few new hairstyles available for each of the players. Now on the screen, you should be able to see some different color variations for the different players and for the different hairstyles. Another big part that I wanted to talk about in this devlog is that I have fully removed the multiplayer or the online feature from the game. As I mentioned in the last devlog, the main idea of the game was that it's going to be based on a 2D multiplayer platformer, where multiple people could join in the same room and could interact and chat and stuff. I have to remove that because when I started to add more and more new features and new textures into the game, such as different hairstyles and so on, problems with the networking side occurred. When I was testing these new textures out with multiple players, as you can see on the screen right now, when two players connected, they both see different textures and different parts on each of the screens. I have tried to resolve this and it took me many hours of different tries, but in the end I couldn't figure out why does this specific thing happen, as I do not have a lot of experience with networking inside of Unity. As I'm not doing any multiplayer or online features for the near future, I can focus more on different features and different things that I can implement into the game. I was thinking to do some kind of a player customization menu, or possibly a shop menu or an inventory menu. As for the next devlog, I will try to create more textures and maybe create and implement the player customization menu. That's all for this devlog, and I'll see you in the next one.